if you have a bad motor mount that you're thinking about replacing, one option to temporarily fix, or maybe even permanently fix, that motor mount is, instead of purchasing a new one, you can actually fill the failing motor mount with polyurethane. And it can be a polyurethane compound that you purchase online, or it can be a polyurethane that you actually could purchase at Home Depot. Let me show you what I did here. So as I said, you can purchase this polyurethane at Home Depot. But this is the motor mount in question. It's one of the bigger ones on the passenger side. And it had failed. Basically, every time I applied the throttle, I was getting major vibration. I thought it was my CV axles. It was not that. And I took the airbox off and saw that this motor mount, basically this tongue right here, this side, was just resting down on the chassis. So what I did was I jacked up the motor with a jack underneath until this tongue was roughly centered in the hole, and then I backfilled it with this polyurethane sealant. You can purchase this at Home Depot. Give yourself 7 to 10 days for this to cure. This will not cure quickly, especially in cold weather. And it's critical that the engine is suspended, because you want to have that cushion, that new cushion created, so that this tongue is floating, as it were, on this new material. But this will dry to kind of a semi-firm rubber texture, similar to what the original mount is made out of. It wasn't a perfect fix, though. It was about a 50% reduction in vibration, though. Now, in my opinion, for about $6.50, that is 100% worth it, because I don't have to replace this mount now. I can drive my vehicle as I was doing before, and it's really no different. So if you can get to the mount that's affected, there's one right here. There's one on the other side right down here. It's hard to see. There's two on the bottom of the engine as well, back behind the near the oil pan. If you can get to those, clean them thoroughly, and then fill the pockets with this polyurethane material, and it may just fix your problem. It worked for me. It was about a 50% reduction in vibration, so that's good enough. And with parts supply, usually you can find them online, but locally sometimes it can be an issue. This could be worth a shot. Thanks for watching.